Our room is very modern, yet it's very us. Like this whole house she's designed keeping us in mind. It's very minimal, but it has so many elements that are perfect for what we thought it would look like. We really didn't give her exactly what we want. We just gave her snippets of phrases of this is how we want it. Turns out that she just gives us exactly what we want.
Long story short, we did not go through many designs. To be honest, this is the first design they've showed us and it has everything that we wanted, so we just went with it.
And one thing to add, Trina is a perfectionist. It shows in every corner in this house, every little thing that she has done. And she also adds the unique aspect to her designing. So if you show her something that is on Pinterest, she will never give you exactly what it is. She'll give you a better version of that. And I think that's what makes all of their work very unique and modern and very tasteful. What we like in this house really is first of the arches. She turned plain, boring rectangular boxes into arches. What very subtly screams out in this house is also the colors that she has chosen, especially for the hall. They are cheerful, bright, but not too loud and out there. I really like little detailing, like in the guest bedroom, she's added a lamp, which is very like rustic and gives that sort of a look to the room.
My favorite place is wherever this gramophone is. I have to give some credit to Trina and Would Be Done for this. For me to acquire this, she was helpful in identifying certain websites where I could actually go online, look at the product and then buy it.
Coming to the delivery of this project, from the time we discussed the initial ideas and the mood boards, the 2Ds and the 3Ds, when they actually started working on site till the delivery, it was a very smooth sail for us. I don't think we visited the work and even felt the need to check anything over here at site. We saw the entire done product. Maybe Chaitanya came a couple of times just to get some stuff or get some deliveries done, but we didn't have to attend to anything. And the best part is they took care of all of our personal work for us as well. Like all of the deliveries that were coming in, the workers would actually receive them, give us video calls, and they did a lot of work for us, which made it so seamless. And when we hear people talking about how it's difficult with interior works and you have to be behind them, that was absolutely not the case for us. We walked into the house almost done, so it was quite a pleasant experience for us.